Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Zep application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the application you will see the home page. Now tap on the profile. Select your AMAZFIT Balance from the list of my devices and here scroll down. Find the Unpair button, tap on it, tap on Unpair, tap on Got it, tap on Unpair again, and the watch will disappear from the list of devices. Now close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings find the Bluetooth option and tap on it, and here you will see the AMAZFIT Balance, actually two of them, one with the numbers and one without. Tap on the info icon next to one, tap on forget this device and forget device, then tap on the info icon next to second one, tap on forget this device and forget device. And once you do, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.